Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, you're the real G. Thank you for always stopping by. And if it's your first time on here, you're super welcome. Do well to join the family by clicking on the red subscribe button below. Also turn on post notifications so you get notified every time I upload a video on here. I'm Chinonso Okoronkwo, a Lagos Nigerian-based hairstylist, makeup artist, and fashion enthusiast. And on this channel, I film about all things beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. So you guys, today I'm going to show you guys how I retouch or refresh my ponytail hairstyle. As you guys can see, this ponytail isn't ponytailing, okay? So I've had this thing on since Sunday, and I did it on Saturday, and this is Wednesday. I intentionally did not carry it well, pack it well if I want to go to bed or anything. I intentionally rough handled it. I used it roughly just so I'll be able to do this video for you guys. Okay, so anything for you guys. Okay, anything for you guys. So without further ado, let's get right into this tutorial. So you guys, for this tutorial we'll be needing just a little amount of gel. You actually can do without gels, but I just have them here just in case, and maybe some spray gel. We'll be needing some edge control for our edges and a spray bottle with just water inside of it. You also need your hair combs and brush. So first I'm going to spray in my hair with some water. You guys, I just came out of the shower, so I have some amount of water in my hair, so I'll not be doing a lot of spraying of this water. But yeah, just go ahead and spray your hair a little bit, not so much that your hair is drenching, just a little bit to soften the gel, the product on your hair, and like activate the activate the gel product that you already have in there that might be a bit dry. So just use some water to soften it, to loosen it, just so you know it softens up. You guys, I'm just going to go ahead to brush my hair in place. If you feel like you need some more water, please by all means go back in to spray in some water. So proceed to comb your hair in place.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave.
So once I'm done with combing my hair in place, I'll proceed to laying down my edges. I'm going to be doing that with the help of my brush. I'm going to pick up some products. I'm going to speed through this process because in one of my ponytail videos, I went in depth on how to lay your baby hair. So please, if you need more details on how to lay your baby hairs, please refer to that video. I'll leave it in the card right here. Okay. So still going in with the rest of the product of the edge control on at the back of my palm. I'm just going to use that to emphasize my parts. You really do not have to do this. I'm doing this because I have some products in here and I didn't want to return it to the container. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't want to be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. Next up, I'll be using this brush to just smoothen out my hair. Next, I'll be going in with this crunchy, and I'll just use that to pack my hair one more time, just so I have a very firm grip. So if you're one who is particular about not having a lot of gel in your hair, you can stop at this point and just go in to use your durag or some scarf to tie down your hair down for some minutes. But I don't mind, honestly. I'm going to be going in with a spray gel just so everything is nice and smooth.
In a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race, every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way, had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change.
Using the same hair gel, I'm going to be going in with that on my edges just to make sure that it stays laid for a long period of time. You can skip this, but I just started doing it and I find that it really works too. It really works with making sure that my edges stay laid all day long. Going in with just a little bit of my spray gel. Don't forget the back of your hair. I'll use my hand to just lay everything. Yummy. I don't have to plan it. I can go change my fate. You won't understand. So at this point, I'll proceed to use a drag to tie down my hair for like some 5 minutes. And I don't want to be where I am. And I want something more. Take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance. So guys, I'm going to leave this on for like 5 minutes. I'll attach my braided ponytail at the ends and I'll come back to show you guys what it's looking like. Hi guys, so I'm back. This is what we're looking like right now. I went ahead to take off the drag and I added my braided ponytail extension. I went ahead to add some round loop earrings because I feel like that's the best accessory for ponytails, especially when you have like long straight ponytail or like braided ponytail. I feel like it just gels like a jig. That's one slang that Big Brother Nigeria taught me. A jig. It always jigs. It always jigs. If you guys want to see a story of how I achieved this this very long braided ponytail, like it's past my butt, you guys. This ponytail is past my butt and it's so beautiful. I'm looking at myself in the standing mirror and it looks so fine, you guys. I'm so hyped. Like, I'm so happy. Beauty makes me happy. So you guys, this is what the hair looks like, by the way. It looks all new and all fresh. I absolutely like it. Hope you guys learned a thing or two. If you did, go ahead and smash the like button, share this video, leave me a comment, and yeah, apologies for the lights. I don't understand the lights, but don't worry, it's for a while, you guys. I've got great announcements coming soon. Take me as I am, you guys, for now, I promise. So yeah, I hope you guys learned a thing or two from this video. Until I see you guys in my next video, stay fab and stay blessed. Bye.